About 0100 hours this morning, a joint security team comprising the military, the police and the DSS stormed the camp in Oda in Imo State and Lil community in Anambra State. Yeah, and when we got there, we noticed that the community has been deserted. These boys have taken over the community. They've carved out swaths of land for themselves, and that is a brand of insurgency. There is nobody, it's just a ghost town. Everybody has disappeared from this town. And in course of the raid, the security forces were able to rescue the Eze from Okigwe, Eze Iheanacho Ndukwe, who was kidnapped, I think, some days ago. And then we discovered a lot of decapitated bodies. And surprisingly, in the 21st century, we noticed that people practice cannibalism here, because we saw human flesh being roasted. You know, so it was an eyesore. And we recovered a lot of vehicles. We saw a lot of dead bodies. What they do is to kidnap. They kill some of them they behead them, and then they roast. Yes, we have arrested a good number of them. Of course, they engaged the security forces, the military, the police, and the DSS. They engaged us, and we've made a lot of arrests.
And I want to commend the security agencies in Imo State, the DSS, the Army, the Navy, the police, the Civil Defense, all of them, for putting their heads together and making sure that at least Imo people will come home to celebrate Christmas. It has been a very thing of worry, wondering how entire local government, like Osun local government, will be abandoned in the hands of criminals and cannibals. From what we have seen, you will not agree with me that these are ordinary criminals and bandits who has no future, who has no plan, who are killing human beings and roasting human beings, eating human beings, cannibals. How else are we supposed to treat this kind of idiots, if not to ensure that the law takes its course?